It's your girl, Kimmy K504. Hey, y'all. It's your girl, Kimmy K504. Hey, everyone. It's your girl, Kimmy K504, and I'm back with another video. And today, your girl gonna be cooking. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, let's get into it. So today we're gonna be making it's gonna be like some parsley with some garlic potatoes. I'm gonna put some butter in there. I'm gonna cook down the garlic some and put the garlic in the butter, and I'm gonna mix that together. So I'm doing something different. I got my catfish. I had this was fresh catfish, but I took it out the freezer and I throw it out. These are my seasonings I'm going to be using for the catfish. I'm gonna use seasonal, granulated garlic, granulated onion, parsley, pepper, salt, not that much, and some dill weed. My mama got me on that dill weed for the fish. Oh my god, it'd be so good. And I need to do this baby spinach. This needs to be cooked because I've been having it in my refrigerator. If it don't make enough, I might do some broccoli. I don't know. So spinach, fish, and potatoes. So that's all my ingredients right there. So let's get into the potatoes first. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use 6 potatoes and I'm gonna rinse them off just like that. So after you rinse the potatoes off, I'm only gonna do 6 potatoes. I'm just gonna cut them up like that, and then I'm going to put them in. I ain't gonna cut them like that. I would take the skin off, but the skin don't bother me. You could take the skin off for yours if you want. You know, it's up to you and your preference of how you do your potatoes. So yeah, I'm just gonna slice them like into 3 or 4, and it's gonna be chunks. Look like an apple. Potatoes are in the bowl. So what we're gonna do is take some water, put in some water, because we have to boil them. I was gonna say burl, y'all know I'm from New Orleans, so we gotta burl them, but we're going to boil them. Boil the potatoes, okay? So you want to put enough water in here to cover the potatoes. That's the amount of water you want to do. So this is the potatoes. Take the seasoning, just go, you know, season it up like that much, you know. It gotta be too much. And so we're gonna take this shit heavy, put it on the stove, and I'm going to close this. So you're gonna put it on the stove and put it on high. So let me put the light on. So you're gonna put it on high. I already got the oven preheated to 350 for the fish. So now let's get into the fish. First we're gonna start off with the seasoning. Do that part first. So you season how you season up your food, you know, doing it with the seasoning, you know, on the fish. I'm just lightly, all this stuff coming out fast. I ain't gonna put that much, but it's gonna come together. So that's how I got it seasoned. Then I'm gonna go ahead on and add the garlic powder, granulated. When you buy onion powder and garlic powder, it's best to get it granulated, cause you know it's more potent. And it's the onion powder. Never have too much of garlic and onion powder. That's like that flavor. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. Well, no, now I don't even need salt. I don't really need salt, but I'm just gonna do a little bit. I don't really need it, but put a little sprinkle of salt and do a little pepper, because they already got salt and pepper in the other stuff, but just gonna lightly put it on there, you know, get that little you know, a little taste, you know. Then we're gonna do the dill weed, and this brings a little extraness to it. So I'm gonna go down on each fish and add this on there. We got the potatoes is boiling right now, so we're gonna get that together. Ever since my mama got me on this dill weed, like, baby, it's so good on fish. Y'all should try all this out. Y'all gonna like it. It's gonna be so good, especially that dill weed. You know, I'm just gonna sprinkle it or whatever. And then you're gonna add the parsley flakes, and you put that on top. And mind you, I gotta season the other side and stuff, so I gotta season the other side. So I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna flip it over. So flip the fish over. It's okay if you miss a little spot. I mean, you know, it's fine and stuff, you know. It ain't gonna hurt. This is the potatoes. It's boiling. I just turned it down to number 8 because it's gonna be boiling a lot, and I just heard it just dropped off right there. So that's the potatoes. All right, and this is the fish. This is how you know, season up the fish right here. So it's 801. So I'm gonna go ahead on and put the fish in the oven. I'm gonna try to do it for like 15 minutes, so about 8:15. About 8:16, I'm gonna take it out. All right, so I gotta switch burners because I forgot I gotta just the bigger burner. So I'm just gonna check on the potatoes and stuff. They're still, you know, hard. And that's like the season and all that in there. So they still going on. So do that. So I'm about to move them. As far as the spinach, you know, the spinach has already been washed and everything. So I'm gonna take a little bit of canola oil and put on there. So I can, like, you know, oil the pan some. You know, get it to, you know, I want to like put it on there, because this 1 pound of spinach is gonna cook down to nothing here. So I got the thing on 5. It's already preheated already, so just gonna put it on there. Uh-oh, it's falling on the thing. And it's gonna cook down. So I got it on basically that's like medium heat, but it's already been on there. I need the plastic. To mix all that up. That ain't gonna cook down to nothing or whatever. So that's the spinach. So the spinach is done. We gotta check on the okay, so I'm gonna give it like a like it's 8:17, so it's been up enough for about 17 minutes, 16 minutes. So I'm gonna give another 2 minutes. The fish is about done. I'm almost there. So this is the potatoes. It's nice and tender. You can tell they're falling off the potato. So I'm gonna go ahead on and turn these off, and I'll be right back. All right, so the fish is done. I let it bake for like about 20 minutes in the oven. And so look how brown it is. It's nice and done. I already did a little taste test. Tastes good, nice and seasoned. Spinach is done. Now it's time to get with the garlic parsley potatoes. So I need to take it off this burner. I'm going to switch burners and I'm going to come right back. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt a stick of butter in this skillet. And I'm experimenting, and so this is the minced garlic right here. And I have the butter. Then I'm gonna take like, I have it on 8. The fire's on 8, so I'm gonna take like 2, like 3 scoops of the garlic, because we're gonna be doing like parsley and garlic and stuff. So that's how I look. I'm just melting it. I'm gonna cook it some. So that's like 3 teaspoons of garlic. Guys, but let me turn it to cook that some. So I'm gonna turn the fire down to 6, between 6, yeah, about 6 and 7. I'm just trying to cook this garlic down some. Take my spoon and, you know, break up the potato some, because I don't mind this. That don't bother me. Alright, so after that, so I just turned the stove off. So let me get some wood, get together with this. I'm gonna take this and pour it on here. Pour it on there. Gonna be like some parsley, garlic, potatoes. And see, the butter's all melted. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead on and add some parsley to the potatoes. I'm gonna add some more parsley, and I'm gonna mix all this up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just tasted the potatoes. I added a little more parsley. It got that garlic taste to it. It's so good. Like, I like that garlic and that garlic taste. So I'm gonna add some salt. It need a little seasoning, so I'm gonna sprinkle some salt in it, and I'm gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I just added some salt that I showed y'all, and I just stirred it up. Oh my god, the potatoes are so good. Got that garlic taste, like garlic potatoes. Like, so we got garlic potatoes with baked catfish, and we got some fresh spinach. So I'm about to eat. I'm hungry. I'm about to put this on this plate, and I'm gonna come right back and show y'all. Alright, so this is my plate. I'm about to tear it down, and I cooked. Okay, so I'm about to tear this up. Alright, y'all, so let's taste potatoes. So good. Love the garlic taste to it. Got a new little recipe. It's just something I created and thought about on my own. I was like, I gotta try this. Like, I want that butter. I want something with garlic in it. That's what I wanted. Spinach. Fish. I did a damn good job on this meal, baby. So good. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notifications on. Every time I post a video, you will be notified on your phone, okay? So I'm about to eat my food. I am hungry. This is my dinner, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.